How the angels cry, holy, all the creations cries, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. Hello, we're going to talk about holy forever, a music theory term, and then we're going to do some breakdown and also learn the music. This song is, let's see what key this is. Chris Tomlin version, yes. So da 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 here. Then we can do C shape and then put a capo here. Okay, let me get a capo. So if it's a C here, but it went up one, that which means a C sharp, some call it D flat. You always want to play the key of the song. So in that way, people can recognize the key and that they're singing the right key for the singers, right? Hear the angels cry, holy. Yeah, that's kind of high general audience to sing, right? There's F2, A minor, G add 4. Take out all the add 4 or 2, just focusing on major and minor. And I want you to focusing on those foundation only. Because if you're starting to get obsessed with all these extra accessories, you're gonna be missing out the essence of the song, the dynamic, the feel of it. Yeah. And then we can add accessories, right? You need t-shirts and pants first before you add the earrings. I guess that's kind of one of the way to describe it. F chord is 4, which means like it's not a beginning, or it doesn't have a very strong like characteristic. Just F is kind of passing through it, so you're kind of easing in. Oh, the angels cry, and then holy is kind of dramatic. So holy, yeah, because it's also sudden. A minor to G is like both are dramatic chords. All the nations cries. Cries is a root, so it's like you gotta starting back to the home, holy, and then jumps to the A minor, which is the dramatic holy, lifted high, and then another minor, but it's so close to D minor, so it just goes kind of back and gives you a new sense of yearning, holy, and it opens it up to the holy forever. G is also another climax. Holy forever. C is the root. It gives you like the sense of the home, the foundation of this song, right? And then it goes back to the same cycle again. All you people sing. Yeah, so sing is the beginning of story in the middle. Holy dramatic A minor to G. And the king start from the bass. Holy. Another jump too is C to A minor is a big jump. You're lifted high, holy, holy forever. One of those songs like this that you can always just go over and over until the spirit comes, right? And then pre-chorus will be Your Name is Highest. It's kind of like a bridge. Bridge usually most of the time starts at 4, which is F. So you can do this again over and over as well till the spirit like just catches it. So F goes, your name is high. Yes, your name. It's kind of tricky spot right there. Skipping the A minor, I don't feel like that's just too much of a changes. So sometimes I do that, but it's of course artistic choice, right? Your name standing up in all F and then so if you play exactly same, it feels like it's just dragging or just grilling the points that is already made. But if you just add a dynamic to it, or if you add emotion to it, or you're changing the strum pattern a little bit, and it just adding a layers, and then the song was just kind of getting bigger and bigger. How the angels cry, holy, all the creations cries, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. Till the people sing, holy, to the King of Kings, holy, you will always be, holy, holy forever. Your name is highest, your name is the greatest, your name stand above them all. All throne and dominion, all power and position, your name stand above them all. And the angels cry, holy, all the creations cry,